Threats can happen at any time, and while most organizations have surveillance cameras, few have the resources to constantly monitor them to intervene the moment an incident occurs. But imagine having tools that monitor cameras 24/7, 365, and deliver automatic, real-time alerts so your team can devote their efforts to responding to an incident before it gets out of hand. Whether it's identifying a gun in the parking lot before it gets to your doors, noticing a slipping hazard before it becomes a workers' comp claim, or pinpointing the location of a suspicious vehicle on the property or person in your building. Having real-time intel empowers your team to react quicker with better information so they can keep your people out of harm's way. That's why Singlewire Software has partnered with IntelliSee to integrate its AI risk mitigation solution with InformaCast's mass notification and incident management software. When IntelliSee detects a threat, it initiates an InformaCast notification that includes the location of the camera that detected the threat, the type of threat it identified, and an image the camera captured of the threat. With InformaCast's critical incident mapping capabilities, response teams can see exactly where the incident took place. Stay ahead of potential threats with InformaCast and IntelliSee.